Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. This video is really intended to kind of address some of the issues happening with React currently, and I don't know how many of you have noticed this, but if you create a new React application, you're going to get a big error message in your console. Now, this issue is being caused by the fact that React 18 was just pushed publicly, meaning that anytime you run npx create React app, like we've been doing in class so far, it's going to build it for React 18. And the issue is that every single package we are using, everything that we've done so far, is built for React 17. And interestingly, all of the other packages haven't caught up yet. So this video is probably only going to apply for the rest of this semester beyond, obviously, hopefully things will start updating soon, but everything's broken right now. And the fact that I'm getting ready to release videos and demos for the week makes that kind of fun because everything is just horribly broken. So let me show you what I mean. Now here, I have a brand new React application. So I have done nothing other than npx create React app, and I'm going to scoot this over for now. This is my application here. npx or npm start was run, and I've got my basic React application. All right, but when I pop open my terminal, I have a big error, and I see that I'm blocking the view here. So warning, React DOM.render is no longer supported in React 18. And that means that we have a new style for creating React applications. We have new syntax, new API calls to make, and basically everything's broken. So we have two possibilities here. You can retool everything in your projects for React 18. And again, this is only for new projects. If you are using old projects, they're going to be with the old version because that is what you installed. But what I'm thinking we'll do is we'll just install npm, or we will install React and React DOM version 17 in all of our projects, and this error will go away. And that will at least get us through the semester with everything, that we kind of know and love. But be aware that we might start seeing some weird inconsistencies cropping in. And that's going to be kind of problematic, I think, for everybody. So if you start running into problems, I suppose, please let me know sooner rather than later because this is happening in real time. When I was searching for this error, because I was noticing it pop up and my demos were breaking, all of these Stack Overflow questions were from yesterday or 2 days ago, not a year ago, like a lot of them are, right? Basically, things have broken. Now, again, we can follow React 18 syntax, but other packages like Router aren't ready for this yet, and it's fun. This is the React lifestyle, by the way. A major change will be pushed. Everybody else has to scramble to keep up. It's an interesting experience. So let me kind of show you here. So let's say I want to start doing routing. All right, so I want to use React Router. I'm going to get myself a new console or a new terminal here so that I can just leave npm start running. This is my update demo. All right, so I want to npm I React Router DOM. I believe is what I want. So this pane is one of my old projects. This pane is the brand new one here. And I'm thinking, let's make a basic single page application type of situation, right? So here is, again, old code, new code over here. I'm going to import browser router from React Router DOM, okay? And, oh, we don't need strict mode, right? So we're going to do browser router, move our app inside of there, put our comma, and we're going to render a router, and we're going to touch that into our root. All right, so this is going to compile. Again, I'm just using this for reference over here. It's going to take a little while to compile, apparently. All right, so up and running, looks fine. Refresh. Let's restart that, because this should be even more broken than it was before. Unless if an update has occurred in the interim. But while this is, okay, here we go. Starting up. So let this finish here. While this is going, I should also mention the other fun today. My camera stopped working while I was trying to puzzle out this issue, so my camera is currently backwards because apparently a wire is coming loose. It's a great day today. So, come on, let's go. All right, so that's running. Oh, that's surprising. So interestingly, earlier, I was just getting a white page with absolutely nothing on there, so I wonder if a hotfix has been pushed. All right, so one thing that I can kind of show you here, so I'm going to I want to show you the package.json. So right now we have React and React DOM set to 18. This is my older project over here, React DOM 17. What I'm going to do in this project, and I'll put some suggestions in Blackboard. Sneeze. I'll put instructions in Blackboard for what to do for new projects, but we can just do npm I React at 17, React DOM at 17. So again, you don't need these split. I just don't want to kill this one because my computer's taking a while. Operation is rejected. Okay, maybe I do want to stop it. Stop you. And this is probably getting confusing, so I'm just going to get rid of that terminal. Clear npm I React 17, React DOM 17. Yeah, it probably didn't like me updating the core of React when it was actually running. So I ran the installation for React version 17. This automatically updated here. I left it open. I wasn't watching it, but let's now run npm start. And what we should see is it running perfectly fine. So at this point, I'm going to honestly suggest that you all downgrade projects when you create them to 17. You can try to get 18 working, and I will be, very happy and impressed if you do. But to me, the headache isn't worth it right now. Basically, the package inconsistencies that are going to start cropping up. Some of our demos are reaching out to other packages which might not be ready. You're going to start getting into some pretty massive headaches, and it's easier just to downgrade until kind of the dust settles with React. So if I pop open my terminal again, no errors because we're running React 17. The way that we are rendering things is just fine. Again, your old projects will work perfectly well because unless if you update React manually, you're still going to be at the older version. So let me show you here. I'm going to move out of my update demo here, and we're going to check out our single page application demo, which I'll probably order this video to come first in the playlist. And, single page is going to be something that we do a little bit later. But if I run npm start here, this is going to work just fine because it's not an out-of-date version, and React is not going to automatically update itself. It's going to go based on whatever's in this package.json here. So that will spin up and it will work. Yeah, I would say short little video here, but I wanted to kind of give you the heads up of what was going on. And okay, so that's popping up. So React 18 errors. Oops. There are some, updates. There are some guides for upgrading, but again, Yeah, it's probably worth reading on. Maybe what I'll do is add the guide. I mean, as you can see here, March 29th, 2022. So this literally just came out. Okay, step-by-step instructions, lots of new changes. Okay, perfectly fine. I'll link that in one of our assigned readings just so that you can be aware of this. Starting still. Okay. Sorry, 1 minute. So yeah, this is the app that we had before. Again, old projects will work just fine. New projects probably are going to need a little bit of loving. So basically npx create React app, npmi React at 17, React DOM at 17. Life should continue on as normal. All right, long enough here. Let me know if you run into problems. See you in the next video.